Once I got out of bed, I took a few minutes to put myself together and prepare mentally for everything I needed to get done. I got my kids ready for school as a mother of three, and then I had to drop them off. Then, when I came back home, first on my list was to clean my gas cooker. It had been a little messy from last night's cooking, so I gave it a proper cleaning. Nothing like starting a day with a clean kitchen, and then I went on to wipe down my dining table. So next, I went on to sweep the floor. With kids around, you guys know it's always something that there's always something that needs tidying up. I try to vacuum every other day just to keep things fresh. Now it's time to tackle the dishes. My kids usually do this for me, but unfortunately, they did not before going to school. So I had a little small pile. I washed everything, dried them, and arranged them back in their place. After that, I took the bin out for collection. I started with the recycle bin. Here in Australia, because I based in South Australia, yeah, our bin day is Thursday and today is Wednesday. So I like doing it early so I don't forget, because once that truck passes, that's it, guys. And they visit once every week. So if I miss any week, I'll have to wait till the coming week before they can carry it. So next, I sorted and did a load of laundry. Honestly, guys, laundry is one of those things that never ends in my house. I don't know about you, but in my house, once they were done, I took them outside to hang. That was my morning, simple, productive, and a bit hectic. Well, that's life and something we must do. So guys, please give me a thumbs up if you haven't yet, if you agree with me, and let me also know in the comment section how your day was, how it went. And guys, you can also check out my other videos. I do cooking videos as well. Check out my other videos. Like, share, comment, guys. Yeah, and I also have videos on my Nigerian recipe. You can check them out as well too. Thank you all guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I will see you all again in my next video. Bye guys.